YouTube has over 37 million channels, adding over 500 minutes of video every minute. Udemy has 18,000 instructors who have added over 32,000 courses. SoundCloud has over 25 million creators who have added over 200 million tracks. The secret to success of platforms like YouTube, Udemy, SoundCloud, and TikTok is their ability to allow content creators, partners, and owners to upload and market their own content. Not every streaming platform can create its own content. To offer multiple and diverse content, a platform should allow and partner with different content creators and producers, from individuals to companies to upload their own content. However, how will you manage this all? The best possible option is to provide content creators a self-service portal that puts them in charge of all the heavy lifting, while you only do the top management. With Muvi, you can launch your own streaming platform that supports the creator economy, onboard content partners, and let them upload and manage their content through the partner portal. Muvi's partner portal helps your content partners to manage everything related to their content. Of course, you can always restrict permissions. With Partner Portal, you can onboard partners by yourself and let them register through your website. Review and approve content uploaded by partners. Manage permissions and set up revenue sharing. Offer subscription plans to your partners. Allow partners to create their own subscription plans for their content. With Muvi, you can launch a partner and creator-driven OTT platform and scale your content offering instantly without any hassles of manual intervention in managing the partners, their content, or even their revenues. It all works automatically in an easy-to-use self-service portal. Simply sit back, relax, and focus on marketing your platform while your partners handle their own content destiny. Ready to jump onto the creator economy and start offering diverse content? Sign up for a 14-day free trial with Muvi and explore on your own.